channel. Today we are going to see how to write a HTML code to create a table. Let's get started. As usual, we open a new tab and type HTML trial. And then we go to the first link. You will see a page like this. And then let's get started. First we write HTML and then we open our head. In the head it is mandatory to write a title. In the title, because we are going to write our table, let's put the title as table. And then we close the title. Now, in the title, after the title is over, we close the head. We close the head. After closing the head, we open the body. In the body, we will write the table code. First, we will write table border equal to :1. Then you will close the tab. And then you will click tab and then you will write TR. Stands for table row. Now, then we will click tab again and write TH, which stands for table heading. Now we are going to write example. Let's take course. Yeah, the example we will take course. And the next example we will take it as fee. Now we will close the table heading. Now after this is done, we will close the TR and again open it under it. Now let's take, now here we will write TD stand for. You might ask, what does TD stand for? TD stands for table data. TD. TD stands table data. Now let's take PHP. Now we close the table data and then we open again and let's set the fee of it, 25,000. And then we close the TD, which is table data, and we again close TR, table row, and we again close table row, and again we open it, and then same as you do, we'll just do TD, table data. Now we'll take a company Android. TD. Now again open TD to write the fees of it. Now you'll write, let's take an example of like this, 50,000. And now we close the table data. After closing the table data, now our table, we need to close TR. And our table, because our table is done, we need to also close, the table. After closing table, there is nothing to write the code. So we will close the body and we will close HTML. Now our code is done. Let's check the output. Our output will be like this. And we saw the HTML table. Thank you.